Good morning, students. This is Prashant sir. Welcome back to social class. Students, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Children, in the previous class, we have discussed our third chapter. What is the third chapter name? Movements of the Earth. What is the third chapter name? Movements of the Earth. See children, in the previous class we have discussed about our third chapter, Movements of the Earth. Movements of the Earth. See children, in ancient time the people are believed Earth was stationary and all planets and all heavenly bodies move around the Earth. They believed like that. Is it correct children? No, it is wrong. Understand children? And Nicholas Copernicus, he was an astronomer. He said that Earth is moving around itself and moves around the sun. Earth has two types of movements. One is rotation and another one is revolution. Earth moves around itself on its axis and Earth moves around the sun. This is called rotation and revolution. In the last class we have learnt about rotation. Shall I repeat what is rotation? Yes, listen carefully. Write down the main points in your notes children. Yes, see children, it is our Earth. In ancient time the people believed stationary Earth. See, it is a picture about the stationary Earth and all the planets move around the Earth. Is it correct? Wrong. After some years, Nicholas Copernicus, he said that Earth was moving planet. It is moving planet. It moves on its axis and it moves around the sun. Understand children? Earth has two types of movements. One is rotation and another one is revolution. See children, what is rotation and what is revolution? Earth rotation and revolution. See, Earth spins on its axis and one complete rotation equals day and night. See children, rotation. Earth rotate on its axis. What is axis? See, here one imaginary line which drawn on center of the equator. It is called axis. See, it is not real line beta. It is an imaginary line. It will be drawn on the midway of the equator. See, it is imaginary line. Understand children? It will be rotated to west to east. West to east like this. West to east. See, it is called rotation. And one rotation completed means one day finished. One day finished means how much time take for one rotation? 24 hours. Understand children? And the next one is revolution. See, Earth revolves around the sun and completes one revolution in how many days? 365 and 1/4 days. Means 1/4 days. It will be added into the leap year. Leap year adds a day to the calendar every 4 years. You know, every 4 years to came one leap year. In the leap year, in the month of February has 29 days. Understand children? Yes, it is rotation and revolution. See children, due to the shape of the Earth, only half of the parts receiving the sunlight. Half of the parts of the Earth receiving the sunlight. See here, sun rays falls on only half of the part. See, half of the part it is receiving the sunlight. It causes day, and other one is away from the sunlight. It is called night. See, it causes night. Say yes or no? Yes. due to the shape of the earth. The sunlight is not spread all parts of the earth. Only half of the parts receiving the sunlight. Half of the parts receiving the sunlight. Understand, children? Yes. See, it causes days and nights. And we can rotate the globe, like it will be rotate means moving slowly on its axis, means while going this day, while moving this earth, see, slowly the day goes to back side, means it will be goes to dark side, means it will be goes here, and night time parts are coming to the sunlights. Understand, children? It causes days and nights. It causes days and nights. Understand? Yes, write down the main points better. And I will explain already in the last class one activity by using a torchlight and using a ball or a globe. If you have a globe, understand, children, if you have a globe and if you have a torchlight, let us do one activity by using the torchlight and globe, and better to understand the rotation and how to causes the days and nights. Yes, let us understand better formation of day and night through an activity. See the picture here. I'll shown the picture, one torchlight and globe. You observe the picture, and in the textbook also they are given one picture in the page number 21, figure number 3.2. You observe the picture, children, and take a torch and a globe. Ask your friend to shine the torch on globe. See, like this. Understand? Like this, you shine on globe. See, you will see that half of the globe is lighted. Says or no, only half of the globe is lighted, while the other half is not receiving the light. Says or no, it is not receiving the light. Find out the names of the two countries each lying in the light off and light on. Understand, children? Yes, light off and the dark off. Light off and the dark off. Understand, children? Yes. See, and suppose here it is in our country. It is day. Now it is a day. And you observe that the back side means it is near the dark. Means it is America, USA, United States of America. It is in the night. Yes, you get this. You get these answers by using this activity on by doing this activity on globe and by using the torchlight and globe. Understand, children? Yes, you will see that countries where you lighted in the part now moved into the darkness. You can move the globe. It will be slowly moved into the darkness. The countries which were in the dark have now moved towards the light. Says or no? Yes, it will be rotated, means the dark areas moved into the light and the lighted areas moved into the dark. Understand, children? Moved into the dark. This shows that the earth rotates. All places have day and night. Says or no? Yes, but at different times. There is time is difference. But all places have days and nights. Says or no? I hope you understand well. This through this activity. Betterly you should understand this rotation. Understand, children? Yes, let us start the revolution. Let us start the revolution. Write down the main points in your books. Don't neglect, children. Some of the children, they are not underlined, and some of them they did not brought the books. Children, buy the books as soon as possible, because without textbook it is very difficult to learning all the lessons. Understand, children? Yes. Let us go to the next topic. Let us start the next topic, revolution. Yes, children. Earth moves on its axis. It is called rotation. Already you have learned that. And here now we learn about revolution. What is revolution, beta? See here, Earth has two types of movements. One is rotation and one is revolution. Rotation of the earth causes days and nights, and revolution of the earth causes seasons. See children, while rotating the globe, it will be moves around the sun like this. See, it is one circle complete. It is in the way, means it is in oval shape. It is called orbit. One orbit completed means 1 year completed, means 365 and quarter days. Understand children? Yes. Listen carefully. Write down the main points in your textbook, notebooks. See children, while rotating the globe, see here it will be rotating on its axis. We learned already, it is called rotation. It is called rotation. While rotating on its axis, the earth also revolves around the sun. Around the sun like this. See, you observe this. Understand children? Around the sun. This movement is called revolution. This movement is called revolution. See, it is called revolution. Say yes or no? Yes. See, it is called revolution. Yes, the earth revolves along a fixed path. A fixed path. Which path? See, it will be revolves around a fixed path. Is it which shape? It is in oval shape. Say yes or no? Yes. See, it is a fixed path called, what is it called? Orbit. What is it called? Orbit. See, this orbit is in which shape beta? Oval shape. Is it which shape? Oval shape. It takes the earth how much time? Yes. To take one revolution completed means 365 days or 1 year complete to one revolution. To complete one revolution means here 365 1/4 days. Understand children? Yes. 1/4 means it will be included every 4 months. One day is added into the February month. It is called a leap year. It will be calculated into the leap year. Understand children? Yes. 365 days completed to one revolution. Understand children? One more time I repeat that revolution. See children, what is revolution? Revolution means the earth while rotating the earth, it will be revolves around the sun. Around the sun in a fixed path means way. In a fixed way means in a fixed way, like this way. In a fixed way. See, it is called revolution. It is called revolution. Understand children? Yes. To complete one revolution means how many days? 365 1/4 days. Understand children? It causes 365 means all seasons came. You know that summer season, winter season, rainy season, spring, autumn, all the seasons are came. You know that. To complete one revolution means it will be to complete one revolution means it takes how much time? 1 year or 365 days. Understand children? Yes, it is revolution. I hope you understand well. And in the next class, we have learned how to causes seasons. How to causes seasons by using a diagram. Understand better? Yes. See, write down all the main points in your textbook. You should underline all the hard words and you should write down the main points in your notebook. Children, and I will give you one more information. about online classes, and very soon we have to start online classes by using our Brooklyn School app. Must we download the Brooklyn app in your mobile phone? Already your teachers are sending one video. You watch the video and download the app. Before downloading, you delete the Zoom app in your phone. If you have the Zoom app in your phone, you delete it. And you download the app and you give the information who are downloading, who are not downloading. Students, downloading students, you give the names to your class teachers. Understand beta? Yes. See children, if you have any doubts about the lesson, you contact me. Take care. We'll discuss the next topic in the next class. Bye bye.